Hello, I'm Jay. I've been living and teaching American English conversation in Japan for 15 years. I started English Life to help others with their English pronunciation. In today's lesson, I'd like to continue with our phonic blend sounds with the letters OA, OW, OU, OW, and OY. Now sit back and get ready to practice together. If you like these videos, don't forget to hit the notification bell. Let's start learning today! O, boat, soap, goat. O, bow, yellow, window. Owl, cloud, house, mouse. Ow, owl, cow, down. Oi, toys, boy, cowboy. I hope you found this video helpful. I have other videos on pronunciation training. I upload videos weekly. Please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. See you again really soon. Until next time, this is Jay signing off. Goodbye.